Gusto na malaman mo yung passport mo abroad? Here's what you need to do. First thing that you need to do pag nawala ang passport sa ibang bansa is mag-file ng police report. So, punta sa pinakamalapit na police station at mag-file ng police report. You will need this. If kayo ay may travel insurance and this covers the cost, then that's good. But kailangan nyo pa rin ng police report to get your claims. Next step is to find the closest embassy, schedule an appointment because mostly hindi pwedeng walk-in sa mga ganito. So, mag-schedule ng appointment sa embassy. So, pagpunta dun sa embassy, magdala kayo ng mga requirements nyo, yung police report, kung may scan copy kayo or Xerox or picture ng passport nyo noon, dalhin nyo, and other identification documents. So, pagdating doon, nyo kayo na-apply for a new passport or a temporary travel document. And then pag-uwi nyo, gamitin nyo na yung temporary travel document na yun to get a new passport. Kailangan nyo magpa-notary dahil nawala ang inyong passport. So, sobrang, ano yan guys, hassle and it will cost you money and time. So, maging maingat sa ating passport. Mas maganda na hindi natin siya mawala during our travel para mas ma-enjoy natin ang ating pag-travel without any worries. Diba? Enjoy your trip, guys!